Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 13, that is exponents and parts. Exponents and parts are one and the same thing. Exponent also means power of some number and power is power. So here we will solve powers. So it is given 2 raised to power 6. We have to solve it. Means we have to simplify it. 2 raised to power 6 means the digit which is at the bottom, that is 2. The bottom digit is known as base. So this base will repeat itself the number of times it has power. So here 2 will repeat itself for 6 times. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So it will be 6 times. We will multiply now. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So the answer will comes out to be 64. Similarly, 9 raised to power 3, which means 9 will repeat itself for 3 times. So 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 792. Now, in second question, the expansion has been given to us. Now we have to convert it in the exponential form. So 6 is repeating itself. So 6 is the base. And how many times it is repeating itself? 4 times. So 4 will be its exponent. So in this form, it will be 6 raised to power 4. Similarly, you can do this. 5 is repeating for 2 times. So 5 raised to power 2 multiply 7 raised to power 3. Here 2 raised to power 2, a raised to power 2 because a is repeating for 2 times. Similarly, you can do for it. Rest other questions you have to do on your own. Now, in question number 3, we have to represent the given number in the form of exponent. So, we will do it by the prime factorization method. You must have learned the prime factorization method in earlier classes. This is the method by which we used to find out the LCM also. So we will divide this number, keep on dividing by 2 till where it will get divided by 2. Then if it needs some another number, we will divide it by another number. So when we will divide 512 by 2, it will keep on dividing and 512 will give us remainder 1 when we will keep on dividing it 9 times by 2. So in this way, 2 will repeat itself for 9 times. So the exponential notation of 512 will be 2 raised to power 9. Now, similarly, next 343, it will be divided by 7 and 7 will repeat itself for 3 times to get remainder 1 at last. So it will be 7 raised to power 3. Now, we have to identify greater numbers. To identify the greater number, we have to solve it. So we have solved 4 raised to power 3. That means 4 will repeat itself for the 3 times. When we will multiply 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now 3 4 times it will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 81 is greater than 64. It means 3 raised to power 4 is greater than 4 raised to power 3. Now, out of 100 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 100, see, 100 raised to power 2 is 100 into 100. That will give us 10,000. But 2 raised to power 100. We have noticed that 2 raised to power 6 is 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 10, if I say, it will be 1024. So 2 raised to power 10 is 1024. Then 2 raised to power 100 will be 10 times of it approximately. So it will be greater than 10,000. So in that way 2 raised to power 100 is greater. Now in next question, rest all the parts you will do on your own. Now question number 5. In this also you have to do like question number 3. You have to express the given numbers in the power notation, exponential form. So you will keep on dividing, find the prime factors, and then you have to represent the prime factors in the exponential form. Like 648. We will divide it by 2, we will get 324 again, divide by 2, 162 again, 81. Now 81 will not be divided by 2. So we will divide it by 3. So it will keep on dividing by 3 to get the remainder 1. Now 2 is repeating itself for 3 times and 3 is repeating itself for 4 times. So 648 will be equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 4. So in that way we have got the answer. Similarly, all other parts you can do likewise. Now question number 6, we have to simplify. So we will simplify the power 1 factor. So that is 10 raised to power 3. It means 10 will repeat itself for 3 times. Now after multiplying 10 3 times, we will get 1000. So 2 multiply 1000 is 2000. Now 7 to power 2. That means 7 into 7. 2 raised to power 2 is 2 into 2. Now 7 to 7 is 49. 2 into 2 is 4. When we will multiply these, it will be 196. Here in fifth part, it is 0 into 10 to power 2. We don't have to solve it because when 0 is multiplied with any of the number, it will always be 0. So blindfoldedly we can answer 0 when 0 is in multiplication with something. Now here it is 3 to power 2 into 2 to power 4. It means 3 will be repeating itself for 2 times and 2 will be repeating itself for 4 times. So here it will be 9 multiply 16. 9 multiply 16 is 144. Now question number 7. In this, before this you have to learn that any negative number repeating for odd number of times, then answer will be negative. If any negative number will be there, let's say I have written -1 multiply -2 multiply -3. So negative sign is repeating itself for how many times? It is 3 times. So 3 is negative. So answer will comes out to be negative. Now answer will be what? 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So answer will be -6. And if I will add -4 also to it, so now negative sign is repeating itself for 4 times. 4 is even. So answer will be positive. What will be the answer? 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So answer will be 24. In this way you have to do. Now here you can see -4 is repeating itself for 3 times. Power is 3. So it is 3, so it is odd, so minus will come in the answer. And when we will multiply 4, 4, 4 3 times, then it will be 64. Here -3 ki power 2, 5 raised to power 2. So it will be 3 for 2 times, 5 for 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative sign is for 4 times. If so, 4 is even. So answer will be positive. And then we will multiply 3 to 3, 9. 9 to 5 is 45. 45 to 5 is 225. In this way, you have to solve it. Now, in last question of this exercise, what you have to do is, you have to compare. So, for this, you will not compare this number. These numbers you will not compare. You will compare the power to 10. Because if there is the power variation, then for the power variation, the places will different. Let's say if I have set 10 raised to power 2 or I have set 10 raised to power 3. So what does it mean? 10 raised to power means this, it means 100. Now 10 raised to power 3 means this. It means 1000. So variation has come, it is 100, 100th place, it is 1000, 1000th place. So places are different. So 1000th place is greater than 100th place. So in that way, if powers are different, then the places are different. For if the powers of 10 are different. So here it is 12 power, it is 10. It is 8. So out of 12 and 8, 12 is bigger. So it has greater number of places. So it means this number is greater than this one. In that way, you have to compare and solve. Alright, I think it is clear. Practice it. Try to solve the questions. If you will not get it, then you can clear your doubt in the live session. Thank you all. Bye bye.